Hello students, welcome to the preview of lesson 1.12.3. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 4 through 6 from our English course American English Conversations 2. So, the first part, you read the dialogues in English, then translate them and read them in your primary language. So first, we're going to read these dialogues in English. Dialogue 4, Airport Bus. What time does the bus leave for the airport? I don't know. It used to leave every half hour, but I think the schedule's been changed. Do you know the telephone number to call? It's Enterprise 74700. At least that's what it used to be. Yeah, I'll try it. They don't seem to answer. I expect that it's a little too early. I don't think they open until 9 o'clock. Then we have Dialogue 5, Making a Date. Let's read Dialogue 5. What time are you leaving tomorrow? You mean to go to the graduation ceremony? Yes, I'd like to go with you if I may. I'd be delighted to take you. I plan to leave here about 9:30. Fine, I can be ready by then. Okay, I'll pick you up at your house. See you tomorrow then, about 9:30. All right, then we have Dialogue 6, Catching a Bus. Is this where I catch the bus for the zoo? You can take a T30 from here, but then you have to walk about 6 blocks. That doesn't sound too bad. Actually, if you go to the bus stop in the next block, you can take a Z8, which will let you ride off in front of the zoo. Maybe that's what I'll do. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. So now that you've read it in English, now you can translate it. Let's say we can translate it into French. À quelle heure part le bus pour l'aéroport? Je ne sais pas. Il partait toutes les demi-heures, mais je pense que l'horaire a été modifié. Well, my French isn't that good. I haven't practiced French in many years. But if French is your primary language, you read this in French to understand the dialogues better. Then you go back and you click English, American flag. And then you go to part 2. And part 2 is very important because you watch, you read along, and you pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So watch 2 or 3 times and practice with this video. When you finish, tell us what you learned here. Add your name, add your email, and then click post comment. And that's it for this lesson, lesson 1.12.3. Thank you very much, students. I'm really proud of you for working so hard.